Welcome back to our channel, where we explore intriguing what-if scenarios that push the boundaries of science and imagination. Today, we embark on an extraordinary journey into the past as we ponder the question, what if we could bring extinct animals back to life? Get ready to unleash the power of genetic technology and dive into the fascinating world of de-extinction. This is What If We Could Bring Extinct Animals Back to Life? The concept of de-extinction. De-extinction refers to the process of resurrecting species that have long been extinct, using advanced scientific techniques. It raises profound questions about our relationship with nature and the potential benefits and consequences of bringing back long-lost creatures. Dr. Sarah Thompson, paleontologist. De-extinction is an exciting field that involves using genetic technology to recreate the DNA of extinct species. While it may sound like science fiction, recent advancements have made the concept of bringing extinct animals back to life a real possibility. The science behind de-extinction. To understand how we could bring extinct animals back to life, we need to explore the science behind de-extinction. From extracting ancient DNA to gene editing and cloning, researchers are developing cutting-edge techniques to recreate the genetic blueprint of long-extinct species. Dr. James Anderson, geneticist. De-extinction relies on retrieving DNA from well-preserved remains of extinct animals, such as bones or frozen specimens. By comparing this ancient DNA with related species, scientists can identify key genetic sequences and use them to reconstruct the extinct species' genome. The potential benefits of de-extinction. The prospect of resurrecting extinct animals opens up exciting possibilities. From restoring ecosystems and preserving biodiversity to advancing scientific knowledge and potentially reversing the impacts of human activities, de-extinction carries significant potential benefits. Dr. Maria Rodriguez, conservation biologist. De-extinction has the potential to restore balance to ecosystems that have been disrupted by the loss of key species. By reintroducing extinct animals, we can help restore ecological functions, enhance genetic diversity, and even mitigate the effects of climate change. Ethical and environmental considerations. While de-extinction offers tantalizing opportunities, it also raises important ethical and environmental considerations. We must carefully navigate the potential risks, including unintended consequences for existing ecosystems, the welfare of resurrected animals, and the allocation of resources for conservation efforts. Dr. David Thompson, environmental ethicist. De-extinction poses complex ethical dilemmas. We need to consider the long-term impact on ecosystems, ensure the welfare of resurrected animals, and weigh the ethical implications of prioritizing de-extinction over other conservation efforts. It requires a balanced approach that considers both the scientific and ethical dimensions. The challenges and limitations of de-extinction. While the concept of bringing extinct animals back to life is awe-inspiring, it is not without its challenges. Technical hurdles, such as incomplete DNA sequences and the lack of suitable surrogate species, present significant obstacles to the successful implementation of de-extinction projects. Dr. Emily Collins, conservation geneticist. De-extinction is a complex and challenging process. The availability of well-preserved DNA, the understanding of genetic interactions, and the ethical considerations make it a scientifically and ethically demanding endeavor. We must carefully weigh the feasibility and implications of each de-extinction attempt. The future of de-extinction. As we ponder the future of de-extinction, it is important to consider the long-term goals and potential applications of this technology. While some argue for a cautious and selective approach, others envision a world where extinct animals roam once again. Dr. Mark Roberts, evolutionary biologist. The future of de-extinction lies in striking a balance between scientific progress and ethical considerations. It holds promise for conservation, education, and enhancing our understanding of evolution. However, we must proceed thoughtfully, ensuring that the ultimate goal is the well-being of both resurrected species and existing ecosystems. As we wrap up our exploration of what if we could bring extinct animals back to life, we are left with a mix of awe, excitement, and ethical contemplation. De-extinction offers the potential to rewrite the narrative of extinction and restore lost species. However, it also requires us to approach the concept with careful consideration, weighing the scientific possibilities against the ethical implications.